Dharmesh ji, how have you assessed the developments over the last few days on the Adani Group right now? There are further statements coming in from all the partner investors, from even the state governments now, which are mulling as to whether they should be rewarding the contracts that have been earlier talked about to Adani. In case that happens, as the reports are indicating, then will it be a long-term negative for the group right now? Because, of course, one is that, of course, he's been indicted and several other officials have been indicted. There could be a legal process, there could be a penalty that the group will have to extend. But then what happens to the future investments and what happens to the projects that were being awarded? If they get compromised, what happens then and how should investors be looking at it?
Yes, actually, this time things are looking different. I mean, it's not a, research house coming out with a
Yeah.
report and some allegations on the, this time it's a district court verdict. And similar, steps have been taken in the India as well. And these news flows are definitely disturbing. We have already seen loss of business for the Adani Group, like Indian government, they cancelled the orders. And if it happens in India, it would be a big blow to my mind. So certainly, it doesn't look a easy situation right now. It would be a difficult situation, and many things will open up. I mean, this is just one case which has come out. I don't know if the linkages start opening. How many threads can open up? It's difficult to suggest or guess right now. But to my mind, this is a serious development which is happening out. Let's wait and see. And corporate governance is one issue, like especially outside India, people are very particular about. If you even if you are found guilty once, they are twice try to touch you and give business to you. So that challenge will remain with this group now from here on. So better avoid the space completely. That is a right way to look at it right now. Though there are few businesses which does have significant value, like Adani Ports has a good value in their power itself. Adani Power has a good business value out there. But in this challenging environment, and even if existing business gets order gets cancelled, then what you do? You lose in spite of having the facilities in place. So that is the context. So better stay out.
Okay, got it. So that's the view coming in. Rudra, how about you? Within the Adani Group, would you still have confidence in some of the group stocks, or is it advisable to just completely stay away till the time dust settles on all the developments?
Sakshi, this has been the easiest question I can answer and very clear on Adani Group of stocks. Number one, look at valuation and also see where were the prices of these stocks before the big fall which came from October. So if
Yeah.
I see what is the high on Adani Energy before October 1st, where the overall market fall came, Adani Energy, if you just go and see, or Adani Green Energy was just trading at around 2000 rupee, if I'm not wrong, and that was the peak it made, and that was at around September last week to October. From 2000 rupee, the stock is now available at around 950. That means it has corrected 50% in last 1.5 months. Okay, even after 50% correction, let's assume someone wants to buy Adani Green right now. Kindly just look at what is the trailing PE multiple. I'm not talking about forward looking earnings and then discounting them and then coming out with the forward PE. I'm talking about the trailing PE that is coming at around 120, 130 times after a 50% correction in the stock. So my question to you, after a 50% correction in stock, do you want to buy Adani Green at a PE multiple of 120 times? And do you expect a growth of around 120% to happen year on year? And it is already on a larger base, and that too after a 50% correction in stock price. So for me, it is a clear no. And only bad news, Sakshi, Adani
Correct.
Green Energy is not available in F&O to short.
Okay, right there. Clear no from Rudra on the Adani Group of stocks.